Scammers have been around for years. Like, literally as soon as something expensive or, I guess, something good comes out, a scammer has to come and ruin it. Well, in the past we've been able to poke them around a little bit, bother them. We've got people like Pierogi from Scammer Payback. We've got people like Jim Browning. But today we're going to have to kick it up a notch. Today we're going to really kick them in the butt. And while Mr. Beast's Team C's has already been promoted by Pierogi of Scammer Payback, he only got them to pledge. What if I forced them? I created a virus. This virus was created to force scammers to donate to Mr. Beast's Team C's and save the oceans. Mr. Beast is attempting to remove 30 million pounds of trash from the ocean, a feat that no one person really has done yet, and it will certainly help with the environment. But scammers making the environment worse, so it's time to get them to pay back a little bit for what they've been doing. So this simple virus will make them donate to Team C's. However, this virus wouldn't work without a scammer to test it on. But I did have someone to test it on. I got an email from somebody by the name of longest usernames and numbers that I'm not going to say for privacy reasons at gmail.com. Well, we had a little conversation. Originally, the guy told me that I won some sort of sweepstakes, and his spelling was really awful, like worse than I've ever seen in any of these scammer videos. He tries to get me to install TeamViewer, sends me the link. It's actually a link, no sort of malware. And I click on it, and, well, I pretended that it wouldn't install or that it wasn't working. So the guy, I guess, decided to start with a new type of scam and asks me for my credit card information, the 3 numbers on the back, and my social security number. Obviously, I wasn't going to let him have it. I went ahead and went onto Google, downloaded a picture of an SSN with some random person that does not exist, sent it to him, but I didn't really. I took this image that I got from Google Images, and I sent it to him. But it wasn't just a regular image. Inside of the image was a virus embedded. When you open the image, the virus would open up too. Let me demonstrate the effects of this virus, what it can do, before I show you what happened. Okay, so I'm just going to click on the image and let's see what happens.
You have a virus. You can only redeem your PC by donating to Team C's. Donate now. After scamming people out of their livelihood, do something good for a change. Make a difference, and remove millions of pounds of trash from the oceans. Do it now to save your PC, you lazy bum. I can tell you didn't do it. I'm watching you. Donate now. Save the oceans, lazy scammer. I can tell you didn't do it. I'm watching you. Donate now. Save the oceans, lazy scammer. You have a virus. You can only redeem your PC by donating to Team C's. Donate now. After scamming people out of their livelihood, do something good for a change. Make a difference, and remove millions of pounds of trash from the oceans. Do it now to save your PC, you lazy bum. You didn't donate. How horrible. You are cruel to the whales. I can tell you didn't do it. I'm watching you. Donate now. Save the oceans, lazy scammer. I can tell you didn't do it. I'm watching you. Donate now. Save the oceans, lazy scammer. You have a virus. You can only redeem your PC by donating to Team C's. Donate now. After scamming people out of their livelihood, do something good for a change. Make a difference, and remove millions of pounds of trash from the oceans. Do it now to save your PC, you lazy bum. This is your final warning. After this you're finished. Donate. 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 You have been warned. donate, 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 donate. 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 Donate.
My favorite part of this virus, aside from the fact that there's literally a possessed robot saying donate, 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 donate,
Donate. 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 Donate.
is definitely the fact that this disk drive just keeps on opening and closing, and every time you click on a text box, it will type in donate to Team Seas now. And it'll also lock your keyboard, which is really fantastic. Now, before people get angry at me for planting a virus in someone's computer, there's no need to worry. It's a very basic VBS file that can easily be terminated from the task manager. However, I'm hopefully, that the scammer will open it and hopefully will not know that bit of information. But if he does donate, I will let him know. So, this is pretty much where the entire email thread on my email is, and the scammer essentially starts off saying, "Hey, I was contacting to tell you that you won $10,000." That is, anyways, I'm just gonna choose to ignore that. In Irish sweepstake, okay, you are very lucky and will receive the money in the mail. You just need to pay for shipping. It will only cost $100. No lot to one money. Just contact if you're interested. I don't know how to read that. And then I go, how can I receive my winnings? And this dude replies, you need to send me SSN and address for shipping reasons. I ask, why my SSN? What exactly is it for? He says, I say shipping reasons. At this point, he's starting to get a little mad. Okay, can you help me? I think it's on my computer, but I don't know how to find it. And he replies with the link. This, in fact, is the link to the official TeamViewer website. He says, click link. It take you to app to help you. Okay, it's installed. Okay. Type this in. And then he gives me the password and his ID. I say, it isn't working. Then I reply, okay, as if I'd been connected. He replies, try again. I think he missed my email. So, noticing that he missed my email, I decided to have fun with him. So I replied, it still isn't working. He then says, okay, just send me these things, and I send, he forgot the N. I said prize. What? SSN, credit card number, 3 numbers on back. I'll charge you the money. I don't know what's going on at this point. I then respond with this image. Essentially, what will happen with this image is as soon as the scammer clicks download, it will download the virus. The only problem is that he can see the file in the preview. I will have to figure out some way to get him to download it if he does not. I then reply with a fake credit card number that I found random online. It does not work. Do not even try it. I then reply to him with this fake CVV. Then I decided to wait a couple days. This just happened, so I'm going to wait a couple days and see what this dude has to say.
3 days later.
So back to the thread. So I waited a couple days after sending him the email, and, well, he did get back to me. And my dude was angry. He was literally cursing me out. So he begs me to shut it off. Obviously, I can't shut it off. So I tell him to donate, send him the links a couple of times, pretend that I'm completely clueless, and he's getting angrier by the minute. The weird thing about this, though, is that he suddenly learned how to type with proper punctuation when he was mad at me, but then now that he writes this, he's back to his bad punctuation. I don't know what's up with that, but he does write something very interesting. He says something like, "Fine, you want me to donate? I'll donate." He did donate. I did actually go to the website because I was really skeptical, and yeah, it's there under anonymous 200 pounds. My guy actually donated $200. I think we successfully scared a scammer into donating. I then told him never to do it again, but he never got back to me, and I'm pretty sure he blocked me because he has not been answering me since. It's probably a good idea, scammer or not, to go ahead and donate to Teamseas. The link is down below, or just visit Mr. Beast's page. He does an awesome job over there. And donate now, save the oceans. 30 million pounds of trash. They're very close to the goal. I believe they're up to like 12,900,000 something, but I might be wrong. So go ahead, check. And we literally just got $200 from a scammer through a virus, quote unquote. It wasn't a real virus. I mean, it technically was, but it was a Notepad virus coded completely in Notepad and Python. So, thank you so much for watching this video. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and Mr. Beast, if you're watching this, please comment below. Thank you. And, anyways, thank you so much for watching. And if you guys are interested in Windows keys, go ahead, visit my website down below. We have them for really, really cheap, like $25 for pro licenses. So, yeah, go check it out. Anyways, if you guys want more of these videos, remember to leave your suggestions down below. Thank you so much for watching. I hope the scammer ultimately learned his lesson and never does it again. Anyways, bye for now. Jordan.